In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write college essays with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why ChatGPT can be a great tool for writing college essays. Whether you're looking for help brainstorming ideas, constructing an outline, or refining your final draft, the capabilities of ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance throughout the writing process. To get started, the first step is to head over to the ChatGPT website. You can easily find it by searching for it in your favorite browser or by typing chatgpt.com into the address bar. Once there, you'll find a straightforward interface that helps make the whole writing process smoother. Now that you're on the ChatGPT page, the next step is to think about the specific prompt or topic you want to write about. College essays typically have specific prompts, so start by jotting down your thoughts about what you want to say. You can also think about your experiences, your insights, or even the message you want to convey through your essay. This brainstorming step is crucial as it'll shape the direction of your final piece. After formulating your ideas, it's time to input your prompt into ChatGPT. Simply click inside the text box and type out your prompt. Be as specific as you can, because the more detailed your input, the better response you'll receive. For instance, instead of just saying, "Write about my summer," you might say, "Write a reflective essay about how my summer volunteering experience shaped my understanding of community service." This specificity can help guide the AI to generate a response that closely aligns with your expectations. Once you've entered your prompt, the next step is to click on the Send button. This allows ChatGPT to process your request and generate a response. Within moments, you'll receive an initial draft or response based on your prompt. Keep in mind that this is just a starting point. You can always refine and edit what you receive to fit your style and voice better. After ChatGPT provides you with a response, take your time to read through it carefully. You might discover phrases that resonate or ideas that inspire you, which you can then expand upon. If you like what you see, you can easily download the text or copy it directly into your document. It's important to remember that the essay should reflect your own thoughts and experiences, so always make sure to personalize it further if needed. So, there you have it, a straightforward approach to utilizing ChatGPT to assist you in writing your college essays. Remember, this tool is here to support you, but the heart and soul of your essay should be your own unique insights and voice. By tapping into this technology, you'll not only streamline your writing process, but also enhance your creativity in essay crafting. So why not give it a try? Head over to ChatGPT, enter your prompt, and I'm sure you'll be amazed at what you can create. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy writing!